everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. The staff and students at various universities, including Stanford University and the University of Oxford, underwent a credential cyber attack on their email accounts just last week. Microsoft released a warning for Windows 10 customers about attacks exploiting the zero login vulnerability to steal domain credentials. According to Abnormal Security, the average weekly volume of Beck attacks increased in every quarter for 6 different sectors, with the biggest surge of 93% in the energy infrastructure sector. We hope that you can keep yourself safe from these malware attacks. Have a good day and stay safe.